In this video, I am going to show you how we can work with the text file in PowerShell. So first of all, I will navigate to the location where my file is. So my file resides in download folders. So I can use cd downloads. Then I have a file of sub.txt where I write my video subtitle. So to view its content or what's inside this file, either we can open with Explorer or we can open this file within PowerShell. So to open this file in PowerShell, we can use one commandlet known as get content. Then we can type the name of the file. This is my file. I have stored my subtitle in this file. And if you want to measure how many lines, characters, or what are the length is already shown here. So let's compute the lines and characters for words. We can use this command get content, then your file name, then measure object line, minus word minus character. So this gives us the output line 1. Words is 188 and characters is 1001. Also you can output the output the any text file, output the anything you have on your screen. You can output that also. So let's give you example. We can use get process command. So here the list of the process. Suppose you want to create a text file of this output. So you can use get hyphen process and use a commandlet out hyphen file, then give it the name processed txt. So type ls. You have file now in download directory name as process.txt. So go to your computer and to download directory. Here is your file process.txt. So here is the complete output of the above commandlet in a single file. So in this way we can work with the text files in PowerShell. Thanks for watching.